Hi guys, welcome to Investigation 4, Part 2, where we're going to look at liquid expansion and contraction. In Investigation 1, we looked at gas expansion and contraction. So we're going to change it up a little bit this time and just look at liquids expansion and contraction. So in order to do so, first we're going to take a look at the very similar experiment that we did last time with the gas. You'll recognize it in just a second. We're going to look at the syringe, and we're going to close off the syringe with the binder clip just as it did before in order to keep the system closed. But first she has to put everything together and add some water into the syringe. The last investigation we saw, we added some air into the syringe and then looked at expanding and contracting the air. This time we're going to add some water into the syringe. Close the system. First, she has to empty the tubing that's in the system right there because the tubing is not what we want to look at, and she wants to make sure it's empty enough to get that binder clip on without making a mess. So at this point, the system is considered closed because nothing from the outside can get in and nothing from the inside can get out. So again, very similar setup to the air, except now we're looking at water inside the syringe. When we put the air inside the syringe, we were able to contract it and expand it. We were able to change the volume of the air while it was in the syringe. So what we want to look at right now is, are we able to change the volume of the liquid that's in the syringe by expanding and contracting that syringe? So first she's going to take it and she's going to push down. And if you watch, she is unable to push that down. It will not go down. Now she is trying to expand that syringe. And let me back up just a few seconds. Again, the syringe will not contract down, and she's trying to expand it now, and she cannot get it to expand either. So it looks like she is unable to change the volume of the water that is in that syringe. Okay, so now we're going to continue on to the next slide in our Nearpod presentation.